Welcome to my channel Freaky Math. This is my new math channel. Hope everyone would support me, and this is my first ever video on this YouTube platform. So firstly I am going to teach 10th class mathematics. Here I am going to solve each and every problem. So guys, I request everyone to watch full video. Before starting the video, I kindly request everyone to subscribe my channel and like the video. So without making any delay, let us begin the video. So you can see I have already written everything to save my time. Syllabus of whole syllabus. So we have 14 chapters. Part 1 is 7 chapters, part 2 is 7 chapters. So chapter 1, real numbers, polynomials, pair of linear equations into variables, quadratic equations, arithmetic progressions, triangles, coordinate geometry. So your chapter 6 triangles is you will be having some theorems. Using the theorems you need to prove whether the given triangle is trigonal triangle or not. Now coming to part 2. So introduction to trigonometry, chapter 8. Chapter 9, some applications of trigonometry. Circles, area related to circles, surfaces, areas and values, statistics, probability. So only new thing you can find is trigonometry. So remaining everything you have studied in class 9th. Guys, actually this is a new syllabus of AP. If TS people, if you find anything similar in this syllabus, you can go through this video. So in old syllabus we have the chapter called sets. That is such an easy chapter. I don't know why they removed it. Every students will get 10 to 20 marks easily, but they removed it. It's quite disappointing. So now let's start with introduction to trigonometry. So let's start with chapter 8, trigonometry. First let's go with introduction to trigonometry. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is actually derived from the Greek word. Tri means 3, gno means sides, metry means measure. Okay, so in other words you can define it as is a study of relationship between sides and angles of a triangle. Okay, so for suppose consider a girl standing on the ground here who is looking at the tip of the tower. So consider think there is a tower here. So now draw one line from here to here. So is it forming a right angle triangle? Yes or no? So this is a 90 degrees right angle triangle, and since it is the longest side, so we take it as hypotenuse, and this is the adjacent side. So now the question is, what is the height of the tower if the girl is looking at the tip of the tower? Now please focus here. This is the height of the girl. Let me name it as O. This triangle ABC. Okay, triangle ABC. Now the height of the girl will be equal to height of the it will be equal to OB. Yes or no? This thing, the height of the girl will be equal to height of OB. Now, so imagine the girl's height may be something like 2 meters. Okay, 2 meters. Now I need to find height of the tower. How can I find? Using trigonometric functions. So before that, we need to know something like, see here, the girl height is making the tower of the height into 2 parts. So total height will be, this is the total height OC. So total height will be OC is equal to OB plus BC. What is BC? BC is the height of the girl. Okay, BC is the height of the girl. You can see here, right? Okay, BC is equal, OC is equals to OB plus BC. Now using trigonometric functions, I can easily find this height of the tower. So what are the trigonometric functions? Let me write it. Trigonometric functions. Now sin theta, cos theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, tan theta, cot theta. These are the trigonometric functions we know. So using which we can find adjacent side hypotenuse, also height of a given tower. Okay, now now let me teach about trigonometric ratios. First, let me consider a triangle here. Triangle ABC. This is 90 degree, and this will be the hypotenuse. Since it is the longest side, hypotenuse. Now, if theta is inclined at point B, what is the opposite side to this theta? AC, no? Yes or no? Opposite side is AC. Now, AB will be the adjacent side, since theta is inclining with the side AB, adjacent side. Now, to find the trigonometric ratios, you need to know about some formulas. Those are the very important formulas which you need to know. So you might expect the question like find the trigonometric ratios for the given triangle. So they will give some values of sides. See, AC like 6 centimeters, BC might be 5 centimeters, and AB will be 5 centimeters, and BC some like above some like 10 centimeters somehow. Okay, something like 10 centimeters. Now, so using this, you need to find the trigonometric ratios. But before that, let us write some formulas. Trigonometric formulas. Formulae. So first, what is sine theta? Sine theta is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. What is opposite side? So sine theta, you can write sine theta or sine b, guys. Both are same. Since theta and b are defining angle, so you can write it both. Both are correct. So what is opposite side? Opposite side is AC, no? Sir, no. AC by hypotenuse BC. What is cos theta? Cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side? AB by BC. Okay, hypotenuse is BC. What is tan theta? Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. What is opposite side? AC. Adjacent side. Adjacent side is AB. See, tan theta we can write it as. You can also write it as sin theta is sin theta by cos theta. If I solve this, what is sin theta? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. Adjacent by cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. How can I solve this? I think you guys know it. Let me do it. Opposite by hypotenuse into, what is the reciprocal of this? Hypotenuse by adjacent. Yes or no? Correct? Now I will cancel hypotenuse. You will get opposite by adjacent. So did you get this same formula? See, same answer you got now. Opposite side by adjacent. Opposite side by adjacent. Same. Now let's start with cot theta. Let's do with cot theta. Cot theta is completely reverse to tan theta. Like adjacent side by opposite side. Okay. adjacent side by opposite side. We can also write it as uh, cos theta by sin theta. Okay, these are the very important formulas you need to remember. Okay, or else you can't solve the problem. It's very difficult. You need to remember this. Now secant theta. What is secant theta? 1 by cos theta. Sorry, 1 by cos theta. What is cos theta? Cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. If I solve this, hypotenuse by adjacent. Okay, hypotenuse by adjacent. So we will get hypotenuse by adjacent. Then what is cosecant theta? Cosecant theta 1 by sin theta. What is sin theta? Adjacent by, sorry, hypotenuse, opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. So 1 into hypotenuse by opposite. So you will get hypotenuse by opposite. Okay. Now let us find the trigonometric ratios. Okay, to the given triangle. See, you already written tan theta. Now I will write cot for cot theta. For cot theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by adjacent side by opposite side. What is adjacent side? This is the adjacent side. Adjacent side. Opposite side is AC. Now I will write for secant theta. Secant theta is hypotenuse by adjacent. What is hypotenuse? BC. BC by adjacent AB. Now cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is equal to, what is cosecant theta? Hypotenuse by opposite. What is hypotenuse? AB. Sorry, wait. Cosecant theta is hypotenuse by opposite, right? Because hypotenuse is BC. So BC is the hypotenuse by adjacent. What is adjacent? AB. Okay, BC by AB. So these are the trigonometric ratios. This is the ratio. Now here we got some values here. See, 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 10 centimeters. Now let me do it for sin theta. AC by BC. No. What is AC? 6 centimeters. BC how much? 5 centimeters. So 6 by 5 is the ratio. Okay. Now same thing you need to do for cos theta. What? AB by BC. What is AB? AB is 5 centimeters. BC is 10 centimeters. So 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja. So 1 by 2 is the ratio. So now we have found trigonometric ratio for sin theta and cos theta. Same thing you need to find for other trigonometric functions like tan theta, cot theta, secant theta and cosecant theta. Okay, same process. Now I forgot to say something, please focus. What if theta is inclined at point C? Which will be the opposite side? So this AB is it, no? Is AB is opposite to angle theta. Okay, so this will be the opposite side. Now which will be the adjacent side? AC will be the adjacent side. Okay, if theta is inclined here, opposite side will be AC, adjacent side will be AB. If theta is inclined here at point C, AB will be the opposite side, AC will be the adjacent side. Okay, understood now? Okay, so I'm going to stop here. Let me continue tomorrow. Kindly please subscribe and like the video. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Take care. Bye guys.